Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. And to my unsubscribers, please click on the subscribe button to always come back and keep watching my videos. All the ingredients used in this video today will be listed in the description box. And if you find this video helpful at the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. So first, you want to make sure you grease your pan with a butter and flour, or you can use oil, vegetable oil, and flour. So first I'm adding in my oil, my vegetable oil. So I will be adding in my milk, lemon juice. This is optional. Lemon juice is optional. Vanilla essence, and lemon zest. So I will be adding my eggs now. Make sure your eggs are in room temperature. And a pinch of salt. Sugar. And you just want to mix this. Make sure you continue mixing until it is totally mixed together, totally incorporated. If you do give this recipe a try, please endeavor to tag me and send me on my Instagram, Gracefully EUT. So I'm just adding my all-purpose flour and baking powder. And then I'll give that a proper mix. I want to remind you, before starting this process, make sure you're already preheating your oven for easy process. So after mixing thoroughly, I added my chocolate chips. You can add as desired, as much as you want. So this is the end result. So I'll be turning this batter into my baking pan. Actually, this recipe is for cupcake, is a cupcake recipe, but I just want to use a baking pan or a baking bowl for this. This can actually go for like 6 to 8 cupcakes if you're using it for cupcakes. So I just want to spread that evenly and then put it in my oven. And I'm going to be baking this for 45 minutes for 180 degree. So this is the end of the cake. So as you can see, I'm just checking if it was totally dried, and as you can see, I tried it and in my skin, and you can see it was totally dried. So because the top was so dried or too dried for me, so I'm just going to top it with honey and water. I added a little bit of warm water in my plate and added a teaspoon of honey just to soften the cake. And I'll let that sit for like 5 minutes to soften the cake, and then I'll be back. So after the cake has cooling down, I just turned it over with a plate, and then there we go. If this cake was supposed to be decorated, then you just have to cut off the top. There is no need of you coating it or softening it with the honey and warm water. So this is the end of our cake. This is the end of our muffin recipe in one pan. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. My returning subscribers, God bless you. I appreciate you. Stay blessed and stay safe.